Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you all how to make this gorgeous hairpin that I have on my head currently. This hairpin tutorial is basically a follow-up to a previous tutorial where I showed us how to make a 3D applique that you can turn into a headpiece and you can make it as accessories for a beret. I believe that tutorial is already on the channel. I'm going to try my best to link it on the screen for you guys. So basically in that video I asked if you guys would like me to also share a hairpin tutorial, and I got a couple of yes to the questions. So I decided to also film this video for you guys. So if you'll be interested in knowing all about this process, please make sure you watch this video all the way through. Every single thing I'll be using in today's video I talked about, where you can also get it, and every important information basically in the video. So please make sure you watch the video all the way through. But if while watching there's something that comes to your mind that maybe I didn't talk about, please feel free to drop your question down in the comment section. Subscribe, like, share, and let's get started. Alright friends, so to begin with, you need your piece of fabric. For me to make this particular hairpin, this customized hairpin, first of all, I think it would be best to use a reinforced type of fabric. And when I say reinforced fabric, that word reinforced kind of throws us off a little bit. I've gotten a couple of questions from us saying, oh, for me, what do you mean by reinforced velvet or reinforced organza or reinforced felt? Reinforced simply means it has been reinforced, it has been made stronger. And the way to make, I've shared a tutorial, I'll try my best to link that tutorial on the screen, how to reinforce fabric. So you can take a regular fabric from looking flimsy and soft to feeling thick by adding hemming gum to it and doubling it up. Like I said, I'll link a tutorial on the screen. Please go check out that tutorial so it helps you learn. So what I have here is reinforced felt fabric. All right, and I have my patterns to make your hairpin or your 3D applique hairpin. Now let me put it that way. The pattern is your choice. So many different patterns here. I have my handmade patterns right here. I just usually, so what I do is on my less busy days when I'm doing learning and researching on how to come up with video ideas for you guys, while doing that I go ahead to just freehand and create patterns on a piece of paper. Okay, I just have them in my stash just for future use. So what I'm going to be working with for the sake of today's video is this butterfly shaped pattern, because I just think it's going to look really cute at the end of the day. So I'm just going to place this butterfly situation that we have here on my reinforced velvet fabric, and then I'm going to grab my fabric pencil and then just kind of recreate this pattern on my fabric real quick. And for those that are curious, I got this fabric pencil from AliExpress. I've shared a tutorial on how to shop on AliExpress on the channel, so if you're new here, welcome. Please catch up on older videos just so you're up to speed and you don't feel left out. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm simply just using my finger to hold my butterfly pattern down, and I'm tracing along the edges. Very simple. This is the beauty of having your patterns created. Imagine if I had to be drafting this butterfly pattern on my fabric right now. It's going to take us time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cut this off my fabric real quick. Next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some copper wire along the edge of this piece of butterfly, because I want this particular style to be a 3D type of hairpin. I want it to have some kind of flexibility to it. So I'm just going to get my copper wire. I have this in size 0.50 millimeters, as we all can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and then get the quantity of copper wire that I need to make this give me what I need it to give me. All right friends, so I'm just going to line the edge of the pattern with copper wire. I said copper wire, cup chain. Excuse me. All right guys, so this is what we have now. So I'm just going to allow this sit for a while so that it dries very well before I now go about beading on it to create something beautiful. This tutorial is pretty simple. I just want to give us a ground knowledge on how to create hair accessories out of 3D appliques. So like I said, I'll allow this dry down and then we'll move on to the next stage in today's video. All right friends, so I'm done making this. I hope we can see. I know that it's the platform or the fabric of choice is black and most of the beads that I used are black, but I tried my best to show you guys. At the center here, I tacked that my heart-shaped cloth stone. I believe I've talked about that cloth stone and where I got it from. If you're new here, I have a video, or I have two videos where I basically share my accessory stash with you guys. I shared where I bought them from, where you can also get them from, and all that jazz. I'll try my best to link the video on the screen. Please go ahead and check out those videos. Anyway, I did a combination of broken glass beads. Let me just show us the beads that I used, and I believe I've showed us earlier. I used broken glass beads in color black. I used some crystal beads in size 4, these golden crystal beads. I used golden sequins. I also used black sequins. I used black crystal beads in size 6, and I also used black crystal beads in size 4. I like to just do a combination of different beads and accessories when making things for myself, because I just find that when I combine all of these things together, they come together to produce something incredibly stunning. If you like more of a uniform outlook to things that you make, please feel free to just use one single type of bead and work your way around your design. But for me, I like to spice things. Okay, all right, so this is the end result after beading everything on this our cute little butterfly situation that we have going on. And then I put a copper wire inside. I believe you guys must have seen it while I was beading. So I wanted to be able to fold my butterfly like this. I don't know, I feel like it's going to give it a more beautiful outlook. But ultimately, the choice of what you do with your shape, first of all, you don't have to do butterfly shape. You can do any shape you like. And as we have this our accessory here, you can transform it into a brooch, into a headpiece, like maybe just like make a bunch of these and paste them onto your plastic headband. It's a vibe. You can transform it into earrings. Okay, I believe I've shared how to make an earring on here on the channel. I have loads and loads of tutorials, guys. At this rate, I'm even losing count of some of the things that I've taught on here on the channel. So if you're new here, binge watch my videos. I have valuable content. A lot of people, I've gotten messages from people saying they started off their business from home using my videos. So it's like a valuable resource on here. My content bank is something that you can start off as an enterprise. I assure that you're going to start off your business without stress. So take your time to watch those videos and learn. Anyway, there's so many different ways in which you can transform this piece of applique. But for the sake of today's video, the reason why you guys came here today, we are trying to transform this into a hairpin. And to make a hairpin, you need this item. It's called like I think they call it a claw clip or crocodile clip, I don't know, but I bought this from Mr. Okoro in Rumumasi. People that sell sewing accessories, more often than not, they sell this item. So you can reach out to a vendor in your location and ask them if they have this for sale, or you can even go to a hair accessories shop. They sell this as well. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to figure out where I want this to sit on this my hairpin that I have going on. And once I've figured that out, I'm just going to try and see. You want to make sure that you don't put your applique, don't put it on this side, because you need to press down on this side in order to open up this your hairpin. So don't make the mistake of putting your applique here and then when it's time to open up your hairpin, you are having difficulties. Move it to this flatter area. Okay, move it towards that side and then figure out where you want to place it. Yeah, and once that has been figured out, you will need your hot glue or any glue of choice. I've shared videos on glues as well. Check out my glue video to determine which type of glue would serve you best. So you simply just do that and then place your applique, and that will be it, guys. That will be it. For me, I think I want this my butterfly to also have something like a wire work kind of item peeking through at the top. I just feel like it's going to give it more a different vibe. Okay, you don't have to do that. So I'm just quickly going to do that wire work beading, and then I'll see how I can attach it to this item that we are working with. So let me just do that real quick and then I'll come back to show us what we have. If I say I think because I've been filming all day, I'm getting tired, so I need to wrap up this video and go and get some rest. But I'm sorry, I thought I pressed record, but apparently I didn't press record. All I've done so far is I wrapped around the stem of this my vine or wire work beading that I did here. I just wrapped it around the teeth of this my crocodile clip. I can take it a step further and just so this pointy part stays flat, I'll just grab my plier and press down just so it stays flat. I'm currently waiting for my hot glue to heat up so that I can go ahead and apply my butterfly onto this point right here. Can you guys see what this is giving? I'm also going to try my best to try this on my head at the end of the day and give you guys like a look at what it will look like if you go ahead and make it for yourself. I'm going to pack my hair in a cute hairstyle and then put this in my hair and show you guys what it will look like. But I'm just going to wait for my hot glue to heat up so we can, I think it's already heating up actually. Let me see. Let's give this another shot and see. All right, so we're there. So can you guys just see the way I'm applying my hot glue? Like so. And the next thing I'm going to do is just simply place this on top of it and press. This is the beauty of hot glue. Whatever it is that you're trying to glue will glue down very, very quickly. So you don't have to waste too much time. So this is it, guys. This is the end result of this cute little hair clip. At this point, I'm just going to insert a footage or a montage of me wearing this in my hair, just so you guys get to see what it will look like. If you enjoyed this video, please, as usual, hit the like button. I think I've said that a couple of times in this video, so please, it will help me greatly. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. All right, guys. So one thing about me, you guys know that when I make something, I'm going to wear it on myself. I'm currently heading out to run some errands, both for work and for my home, and I thought to just rock this cute hairpin on my hair. This entire thing looks really, really cute, and imagine making things like this for children and adults and selling them. Okay, guys, this is totally something you can start off if it's something you think you can do and you're interested in. So I hope you guys basically enjoyed today's video. Like I said, or I might have said during the course of the tutorial, I asked in a previous video if you guys would like me to share how you can also transform some of these 3D appliques into hair accessories, and that's why I decided to answer you guys by making this cute hairpin. So if you enjoyed watching, if you found this valuable, please do well to hit the like button. Thank you guys so much for everything that you guys do for me on the channel, for subscribing, for sharing my videos, for liking my videos and all that jazz. Thank you so much. It doesn't go unnoticed at all. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share, and feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section. If it's a question, if it's just a feedback, I'd like to read from you. Thank you guys again for watching today's video, and yeah, friends, I can't wait to see you in another video very, very soon. Bye.